Welcome to Keyboard Pharmacy Study Circle channel. So, class 2, this is the RRB paramedical examination MCQ spot. So, let's start the today section. Question number 1. Which hormone secreted by pancreatic alpha cells? 1. Insulin. 2. Somatostatin. 3. Somatotropin. 4. Glycogen. Correct option is glycogen. So glycogen is the correct answer. So glycogen secreted by the alpha cells, okay, while insulin secreted by the beta cells. Glycogen generally elevates the concentration of the glucose in the blood by promoting glyconeogenesis and glycogenolysis. Okay, so the correct option is 4, glycogen. Question number 2. Which stimulates the release of ADH from the posterior pituitary gland? 1. Increase the blood levels of sodium. 2. Increased blood levels of glucose. 3rd, decreased blood levels in sodium. And 4th, decreased blood levels in glucose. Correct option is increased of blood levels of sodium. So option 1 is the correct. Increase of the blood levels of sodium. Okay, so correct option is 1. Question number 3. In adult, which cells do not affected by the thyroid hormone? 1. Pancreas. 2. Stomach. 3. Heart. 4. Brain. The correct option is brain. Brain is the correct answer. Okay, so brain cells do not get affected by the thyroid hormone. Okay, T3 and T4 not affected in brain cells. Okay, so the correct option is 4, brain. Question number 4. The bone that protects the brain is called as 1. Sternum. C. Clavicle. 3. Pelvis. 4. Cranium. Correct option is cranium. Cranium is the correct answer. So cranium is the chest bone. So cranium is the chest bone, and clavicle is hand bone. Pelvis hip bone. So cranium is also called as brain case. Okay, at this part, the skull that encloses the brain. So correct answer is 4, cranium. Question number 5. The key purpose of the rib cage is to 1. Protect the urinary bladder. 2. Protect the heart and lungs. 3. Help with movement of the intestines. 4. Allow the stomach to dilute and contract. So the correct answer is protect the heart and lungs. Protect the heart and lungs. So the basically hot lungs is a present in under the rib cage. So the correct answer is protect the heart and lungs. It's helpful of rib cage. Option number 2 is the correct. Question number 6. What helps to make bones so strong? 1. Calcium. 2. The osteoclastos. 3. Vitamin D. 4. Their shape. The correct answer is calcium. So calcium it's a very helpful of human body in teeth or bones. Okay, so it's helpful of the bone making. It's a very calcium is the helpful of the strong bone like teeth. The correct option is a 1. Question number 7. The anatomically name of for the thigh bone. Anatomically means structure our body. Okay. 1. Clavicle. 2. Sternum. 3. Femur. 4. Pelvis. So the correct answer is femur. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. So femur is a okay. So sternum as chest bone. Clavicle is hand bone. Pelvis is hip bone. Okay. So the correct answer is femur. Question number 8. How many thoracic vertebrae are the human body? 1. 6. 2. 5. 3. 15. 4. 12. Correct option is 12. 12 is the correct. So why 12 in thoracic vertebrates? 12 are group of corresponding in 8 pairs. How many pairs? 8 pairs. 8 pairs of cervical and 12 pairs of thoracic. 12 pairs of thoracic, 5 pairs of lumbar. Okay, 5 pairs of sacral, and 1 pair of coccygeal. Okay, coccygeal nerves. Okay, so how many pairs in thoracic vertebrate? 12 pairs. Okay, 8 pairs of cervical, 12 pairs of thoracic, and 5 pairs of lumbar, and 5 pairs of sacral, and 1 pair of coccygeal nervous. So the correct option is 12. Question number 8. Bone is also known as osteogen, cartilage, osseous tissue and sinew. Correct option is osseous tissue. So osseous tissue is the major structurally and supportive connective tissue. This is the supportive connective tissue of our body. The correct answer is 3, osseous tissues. Question number 10. The correct term of the end of the bone is the terminal ileum, the diaphysis, the G5, the epiphysis. The correct answer is the terminal ileum. So the terminal ileum is the end of a long bone of originally separated from the main bone layer cartilage, and it is a very simply the terminal ileum is like, okay, so this is the bone gap. So the long that originally separated from the main bone by layer cartilage, but layer become united the main bone. So this is the main bone. Okay, the correct option is the terminal ileum. Question number 11. What is the meaning of osteoporosis? Bone infection, bone cancer, bone disease that can lead increased risk fractures and bony outgrowths. The correct option is bone disease that can lead increase the risk of fracture. So it is normally it can lead increase of risk of fractures. So fracture due to decrease of bone density. So it is occurs in low level in calcium. Okay, the correct option is the 3. Question number 12. A muscle fiber relaxes when all the adenotriphosphate, the acting binding sites of saturate, the nerve stimulate to forceful, the nerve stimulates to removed. The correct option is the nerve stimulates the removed. Okay, it is a simply the nerve stimulation is removed, contraction and relaxation on nerve depend upon the electrochemical stimulation. Okay, so the correct answer is the nerve stimulates the removed. Option 4 is the correct. So next question, what is the joint? 1, a hinge. Next one, the place where tendons join together, the place where two bones joined, a ball and socket. The correct option is the place where two bones and joint. Okay, 2 bones and joints. Okay, you can simply, this is like a bone. So this is the bone, this is also bone. Okay, so 2 bones, its arrangements of, this is the joint. Okay, so joint is the place where 2 bones are joined. Bone 1 or 2 connectly joined is called as the joint. The correct option is 3. Question number 14. Thick filament in skeletal muscle are composed of 1, actin, 2, trophin, 3, myosin, 4, trypomyosin. The correct option is myosin. So basically myosin, it is a highly evident of in muscle fiber, and myosin comprise family in ATP. So myosin of ATP. So the depend of motor proteins depends on the motor proteins and the best know of their role in muscle concentration. So it's a very helpful of muscle concentration. The correct answer is the 3 myosin. Question number 15. What is the function of tendon? To link muscle to bones, to link bones to bones, to link muscle to ligaments, and 4 all of the above. The correct answer is to link of muscles and bones. Muscle and bones. So muscle to bones, tendon to tough band and capable of the withstanding tension. The correct answer is 1 to link muscles bones. 16. How do muscles attached to the bones move the body? 1 automatically, 2 push movement only, 3 pull movement only, 4 all of the above. Correct answer is pull movement only. All the pull movement of only. Question number 17. Muscles are made up of group of cells called fibers and 2 silica and 3 calcium, 4 phosphorus. The correct answer is group of cells called fibers. Option number 1 is the correct. Question number 18. Which of the following is not a performed by muscles? 1 motion, 2 maintenance of posture, 3 excretion, 4 heat production. The correct answer is excretion. So excretion related to the kidney. Okay, kidney. Okay, so next question. Which have prevents the backwards flow of blood into the left atrium? 1 aortic valve and 2 mitral valve, 3 pulmonary valve, 4 tricapside valve. The correct answer is mitral valve. So mitral valve is the present between atrium and ventricle. So correct option is mitral valve. Question number 20. The parasympathetic nervous system is inverts the heart by which cranial nerve? 1 cranial nerve, 4 in tricular nerve, 2 cranial nerve, 6 in abducens nerve, 3 cranial nerve, 10 vagus nerve, and 4 cranial nerve in 12 hypoglossal. Correct option is cranial nerve and vagus nerve. Okay, so cranial nerve and vagus nerve. So it's a simply cranial nerve x vagus nerve. Cranial nerve is the x vagus nerve. Okay, so cranial nerves were historically situated in the pneumogastric nerve. Pneumogastric nerve. So 10th cranial. So the 10th cranial nerve in CN. Cranial nerve in 10th in interface of with parasympathetic control. So correct answer is option 3 cranial nerve, 10 vagus nerve. So this is a section. It's a very helpful in your RRB pharmacist upcoming examination. So thank you so much.